Are any LASIK options effective for patients over the age of 50? Hi, I'm Dr. Michael Brusco, LASIK surgeon and vision correction specialist at Brusco Vision located just outside of Washington, D.C. I'd like to talk a little bit about the myths of LASIK, and one that we hear a lot is that LASIK is not effective for patients over the age of 50. A lot of people think that because the effect will wear off over time as they age. Well, the effect will not wear off over time, but the eyes will age. While there's no strict cut-off age for laser LASIK, a better option for patients over the age of 50 is a different type of LASIK procedure called custom lens replacement. Custom lens replacement is not only an effective option for patients over 50, but the vision that it provides to patients will often be better than the vision that they get with glasses or contacts. The aging eye doesn't work as well as it used to because the lens inside of it is starting to degrade and malfunction, a process that will continue throughout life. In order to get better vision, that lens must be removed and replaced with something that won't degrade over time. And the custom lens replacement procedure does exactly that. The custom lens replacement procedure has the ability to improve a patient's distance vision, their near vision, and it stabilizes their vision over time. So if you're over the age of 50 and you're struggling with your vision, you should consider custom lens replacement to get out of glasses or contacts. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us.